Kuya Joshua, what happened to your power bank?
Ano to ba?
Di mo gitagak?
No.
Parang matagak mo.
No. Hi and welcome to my new blog. Today, this is Dr. Pablo U. Abella Street. Today is the 4th of August 2025. Let's start with the basics. This is Dr. Pablo U. Abella Street. This is Happy Valley.
Ya, magka-okay na ka lang. Palit ka glove.
Yan para anak.
Na may
No.
bubitas.
Inom na.
Sige.
That's it. No more cookies for you. When the student is ready, the teacher appears.
I want you
No,
to
no.
remember.
No.
Your steam rice only one.
No.
Okay?
No.
If ever we go to dim sum break, Joshua, there's one thing I'd like you to remember.
No.
You're only allowed one steam rice, okay?
This is Francisca Village.
Only allowed one steam rice, okay? Yeah, tomorrow after sa high precision, bitchul ka, Joshua.
This is
Uli-uli pa. What time to magwag pa?
this is going to Horseshoe Hills.
Ako tag-agi.
Happy Valley.
Hindi ko yung buko. Bawasan sa mga pagtibong atlas. Pick number 3, Cebu. Pakulod pick number 3, Cebu. Musik Barnap eh. Okay, there's one thing Christopher Robin would like you to remember. If ever you go to dim sum break, there's one thing I'd like you to remember.
No.
You're only allowed one steam rice.
No. Dili want si man.
How
Dili.
many? One and a half.
Don't speak na.
Hold up a bit. Cool ba? Oo,